This is my first day off after like 5 days of working straight. By the way, this is me that just woke up, so I look like trash. But anyways, I didn't want to stay home all morning. I have a gig later with school stuff at the Hooks game. So we didn't get home till like 1:30, 2 o'clock last night. And I didn't go to sleep till like 6:30. Wow, I look bad right now. And it's currently 10:30. So I haven't slept that much. And so they were saying, oh, she's not gonna wake up, blah, blah, blah. Well, I'm up. And now my sister's not getting up. So let's go wake her up. Get up. Get up. I thought I wasn't the one that was gonna get up. Well, I hope you know Jacob is waiting for us. Go get up. Oh, hot. This bitch already took off his shirt.
Oh no, no, can't see my titties.
Too late.
Oh, not the titties. I'm extra hungry. I don't know about y'all.
We hungry too, but Tyree cooked it up with some PB&J for us.
He asked you, but I was like, I don't know about that.
Shit.
I'll tell him.
I left my card at home and I only had $6 on there, but I have $4, $5, $6 in cash with me. Wow, that's a fail. Okay, you guys, so we're on our way to Flower Bluff, which is like 10 minutes from here. And if you guys haven't already heard, which I'm pretty sure you haven't because you don't know who she is, only from my videos, this girl passed her driver's test. Ew. I know, I suck.
Yeah, dude.
Can I get some claps, bitch?
I don't want his claps. Not from him.
I'm clapping on my thigh, Nana.
It's fucking hot.
Dude, that's the whole point. That's the whole point. We out here in Corpus Christi, about to head out to Flower Bluff to pick out that boy Tyreek. Next stop, Tyreek's house. Why are you bouncing? Okay, so we're at the dollar store and this boy decides he needs to take a shit. So I'm just standing there looking stupid.
Stop. Oh, there's a McDonald's, dude. I buy his burgers.
Oh, bomb. This boy is making us late to the beach.
My pee-pee. It's because of the...
Stop making us late.
Bitch, I'm hungry.
Samesies.
I knew my fat ass should have eaten at home. I was like, no, because what if the girls want to go eat? Or, no, like, I'm just going to save my money just in case the girls want to go eat. Or, like...
Don't you know the girls are broke as fuck? But thank you for having us in mind.
You're welcome, dude. You're welcome.
Is this your car in here? It's a Volkswagen. No, that's not it.
No, isn't hers like silver?
Don't let Adrian know. Shit, the water's actually really clear.
I might put my feet in. I just might.
From myself like a broken.
I never said that. If you feel comfortable.
Oh no, I fucking don't.
Guys, we're out here at the beach.
If we roll down streets
So I dead ass have been wanting to come to the beach for the longest time. Oh, it feels so good to be here. The wind is just like, oh, it's a perfect day. Oh my gosh. You look too hot. Ariana, you gotta put on sunscreen.
Shut up, Nate.
Did you forget she's a baby?
She's the bug.
Oh, Sister Jacob taking selfies over here for the gram. Hello, world. Oh, Terry's bum ass already out there. Hi. Oh, you know, I didn't even put sunscreen on the side. They're talking about me. You don't fight me right now. Fun and out, what are we doing later? Later? We have to go see at the Hooks game. The Hooks game. Wait. Oh. You better stop. Okay, so I got in the water. Coffee. And now I have like sand in regions where they shouldn't be. I'm exhausted already, but we're having a good time.
This is in the dark. I like to be. I like to be dark.
Say bye to the beach, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, so we're leaving the beach right now, and we're gonna drop off Tyreek and bum ass over there that didn't want to take me pictures. So I'm deleting his pictures.
Because I done told your ass if you wanted to go and take pictures. But you're like, no, I don't want to. No, I don't want to.
That is a damn lie. Who the fuck is this?
Slut.
Kendall. I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna understand the inner workings of a woman. See that? Yeah. I was like, that's fucking disgusting.
Trash.
She needs to stick to modeling. I'm just saying.
1055.
This is a really pretty Which one?
Irene.
Well, thanks for having me. I don't have any.
We'll see you later, squeaky clean.
I'll see you tonight.
Oh, we'll see you
Shut
tonight.
up.
Don't catch Nana slipping. Hurry up, dude. Hurry up. You better answer me later. That's right, bitch. Bye, sister.
Are you actually recording me or Dad?
I'm recording you, dude. I'm recording you. Can you get your nasty toe away?
Oh, hi, guys.
What's your name?
My name is Kitty Carey. Ah, ha, ha.
Sing, Carly.
No.
Just like
Nicotine.
nicotine. Nicotine. but cheeked up. We are squeaky clean and in our stupid uniforms that we have to wear today.
Yes.
And Nana got her pop socket.
Dolan twin pop socket, and I am so freaking happy. I'm gonna put it on my phone.
It matches her phone case.
Which matches
it's
my
cute.
phone
It's cute.
case.
That's what I just said.
I'm so excited.
So yeah, we're on our way to the Hooks game, and it's freaking hot. It's like 101, and it's only gonna get worse. And then after that, I have to go to work to finish some stupid training. So let's see what else happens. This video is not sponsored, obviously, but this shit right here goes hard. Oh my god, the best thing in the world. We out here. Oh my god, it's so bright. Hey, Uncle.
Hi. Hi.
Stop.
How you doing?
Stop fucking doing that. So the Delmar Chamber
Chamber and
Singers
concert.
and concert.
Fire.
We're singing the national anthem at the Hooks
And
game.
it's really hot.
It's freaking hot.
It is hot.
I'm sweating.
Who is that over there?
Already. I haven't even done anything.
It's Tyreek and Katie.
I'm sweating.
Let's not sweat. Let's go inside.
It's gonna be hot. So.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, I can smell that Whataburger.
I already had water. I had too much food. I barely had anything though. But
You didn't fucking share, dude? How come you
not
didn't
with
share?
y'all.
You savage.
Y'all
Let's
weren't
get
there with
inside.
me.
It's hot. Hey. Everyone's here. So they just made us walk upstairs, and we're dying.
These little girls are savages.
Why?
I was like, hey Nora. Hey Nora. She's like, hi. But she didn't never look at me. She was like, hi.
She's like, don't take your time. Come on, Uncle. Tyreek.
Jesus fucking.
Tyreek, you look like a coach.
You do look like a coach.
Dallas Cowboys coach right here.
For real.
Ogre.
That's exactly what they wear.
I think
I'm trying to sit.
thing. I really don't think
Yeah, until 6:45. Oh, I'm gonna go get my phone. What's the...
Oh,
I
it's
want
not
something
falling
to
hot.
drink.
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me how you feel.
Hot.
Oh, wait, no, never mind.
Okay, so we have an hour until we actually sing. Where? Conspiracy theory. Where's Shane? Can you throw that over here, please? I guess not. Stop dragging it. Stop dragging it, dude. What is
Dragging that. Dragging that weed.
So this is our Hook Stadium. That's the Harbor Bridge. You better shut up.
Like in like 4 years.
You're right. And this is Hurricane Alley.
Not her.
I'm zooming in, dude. I'm zooming. That's the most I can zoom in. Oh, Mattress Firm. Conspiracy theory. When you drag a bitch. That's me right there, dragging a bitch. Mattress Firm. You're right. So we walked this whole entire Harbor Bridge one time. Well, actually, no, 2 times already. Yeet.
I was in track.
Okay, guys, we're on our way to go see.
Mad?
Now they're telling us to sit, guys.
Oh, you are.
Okay guys, so we're back home from this crazy day. You know, oh, so many things to do. First, I didn't get that much sleep. Second, we got up early so we can go to the beach, and we didn't get to the beach until like 12:30. We left like around 2, dropped off Tyreek, and dropped off Jacob. And while we were at the beach, we took some pictures for the gram. The pictures came out pretty good, so be sure to follow my Instagram so you can see those pictures. After that, we dropped everybody off. We went to go pick up Carly, and we came home, took a shower, got ready for the gig with the concert choir at the Hook Stadium. And after that, we jetted off to my job so I could finish some training videos that I was supposed to do, like, I don't know, I guess a month ago. All in all, we all had fun today, and I definitely want to make it a thing that we go to the beach, you know, like, not every day, but like make it a habit to go, because summer is already here and we're out already, and you know, we're done with finals, we're done with classes. Well, technically I'm not done with classes because I still have my summer classes, you know, to get ahead. But other than that, I think today was a success and I had a lot of fun with everyone that was there. And that concludes today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you really like this video, let me know down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright you guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.